Hey guys, Ginger Woodworks here, and so the next thing that we're going to do with realtrucks.com is we're going to replace this tonneau cover. So I have the stock Toyota Tundra 2024 limited edition, and it came with this tonneau cover. It's a tri-fold. Not a big fan. If you guys are familiar with Toyota, obviously this back window comes down. So one of the things that I don't like about this setup is that this tonneau cover right here, every time that I'm fully in use, cover off, moving lumber around, the back window is covered up. So obviously that's not a big win, both in the view as well as the fact that in the summer I like to have that window down. So we're going to install the Gator Trax new tonneau cover from realtrucks.com. Stay tuned as I take this one out, we put the other one in. So the first thing that we have to do is, there is a nut down here. We're going to take this little guy off. We're going to take these nuts off on either side. Then, because this was already installed, the next thing that has to happen after we get the cover itself off is we're going to have to come in here. You can see here, this bracket right here, that's what holds this assembly on. We're going to take that bracket off. So this bar is going to have to come off temporarily. We're going to take this bracket out, and then we're going to reinstall this track, because that is what the new Gator Trax tonneau cover is going to connect to. So first things first, let's get the cover off. Then we're going to get down here, take these off. These have to be popped out so that we can slide the metal bracket in here that is going to secure your tonneau cover down to the top of your truck. So took these out now. I'm going to set them down right here in the base of the truck bed so we don't lose them. So these little plastic pieces right here, these guys right here are going to serve as your spacers. So make sure that your door, your tailgate door closes. So you're going to put those spacers in here on either side before you secure . So once this is in, you're going to slide it so that it's right in between these guys. We're going to pop that back on here, this end cap, like so. You're good to go. Time to mount it. So once everything is all in place and it's in the groove, We're going to tighten these up, lock. So the trick to these is making sure that they're lined up in the groove. Once they're lined up in the groove, you've got your washers on with the bracket. Make sure you tighten these down. You're good to go. So as you can see, this one here versus the old cover that I had on there, one of the reasons I did replace it is because this one actually does lock in place wherever that you choose. You can lock it in place just like that. This can be anywhere on the truck, and it no longer covers my window. So as you can see, with those spacers in, boom. Hit the button. You can slide it right here. So the cool part is now if I have a project here, a saw, it doesn't matter, whatever it is. If it's too tall, as soon as I have this, click this down, lock it in, so lock it in place. So there you guys have it. Pretty simple installation of the Gator Trax tonneau cover. Very excited. Probably the most exciting piece is, being that I live in Western New York, my tonneau cover tends to freeze in the winter. That's not going to be an issue. I'm going to be able to get my gym bag, all my tools, anything that I put in here, I'm going to be able to get them out no problem. So thanks for checking out this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, check out retractable.com as well for anything else that you might need for your truck.